The 5 tips to pass your PMP exam in the very first try. You see, when I was in my PMP certification journey, I made lots of mistakes. And today, when I look back, if I would have known these 5 tips and if I had to follow these 5 tips for my PMP exam preparation, guess what? Instead taking one long year, I would have prepared faster and become PMP certified in shortest possible time. And most importantly, I would have less pain, less trouble, and less challenges. But nevertheless, in this video, I'm going to share with you all those 5 tips, and you can use this 5 tips for your PMP exam preparation and become PMP certified in just 45 to 90 days. So tip number 1, understand PMP exam content and format. See, exactly the very first thing you need to understand PMP exam format and the content. You can refer PMP exam content outline, which is a kind of syllabus released by the PMI, which is also known as, in short, ECO 21 exam content outline, which was released in 2021. So you need to review this PMP exam content outline to be familiar what exactly needed to prepare. Also, you need to review PMBOK guide, which is primary resource for PMP exam preparation, and it is essential to have deep look to its processes and concepts. Also, you need to take lots of simulators and practice exams to be familiar with the types of questions which we'll be asking in the real exam. Tip number 2, create a customized study plan that best works for you and stick to it. Yes, that's really important that you should have a customized study plan for you. You need to set aside dedicated time each day for your PMP exam preparation and make sure you stay on track. You can simply break down the study materials into manageable chunks, which help you to move faster and easily. You will be not feeling exhausted. So make sure you are breaking down your overall study materials into manageable chunks and studying 3 to 4 hours every day. So that will help you to see the progress, and of course the progress motivate you to keep moving on, and with this you will be able to get ready for your PMP exam in shortest possible time. Tip number 3, use a variety of study materials. You heard it right, my dear. In addition to PMBOK guide, you need to refer some other PMP materials, because most of the people think only reading PMBOK guide is enough to pass PMP exam. That is wrong. You need to refer some other materials like refer Rita book along with Agile guide, refer flashcards and high level notes, and also online resources which all can supplement your learning. Tip number 4, join a study group. Connecting with like-minded people who are also preparing for PMP exam can provide support, motivation, and give you opportunity to learn together. So you can find lots of active PMP community on the Facebook, on the LinkedIn, right? Just go there and become part of that community, and not only become part of community, but be active there, participate in Q&A. In few weeks, you will feel progress in yourself. Also, we have one community, Grow Active PMP community. You can find the link in the chat box or somewhere in the description section. So just go there and click the link, join the Grow Active PMP community. There we do conduct every day free PMP mock session. So become part of Grow Active PMP community. Tip number 5, Practice time management. PMP exam is time bounded. It's 3 hours 50 minutes exam in total, and it's important to be able to manage your time efficiently during the PMP exam. For that reason, you can use lots of simulators and quizzes are in the market. Just choose best simulators and practice those simulators that help you learn, pace yourself, and select the best answer within the time limit. That is what you have to do to get success in the PMP exam. So that's all 5 tips, guys, you need to follow for your PMP exam preparation. If you still say, Samir, being a working professional and a family man, it's not too easy, not too simple to stick with these 5 tips for the next 45 days and 90 days. I can completely understand this. You need to understand one thing, my dear. The PMP certification is not made for student. It is completely made for working professional. And yes, it is doing by working professional worldwide for their career growth. And if you really also want exponential career growth, then you can also do it. You can also manage time to do it. I have helped more than 2,000 individuals who have already cleared their PMP exam within 45 to 90 days after joining my mentorship program. So if you wanna how you can become PMP certified like them within 45 to 90 days, I would love to support you. I would love to mentor you till you become PMP certified. I want you to leave your queries in comment section or join my WhatsApp group through the link you can find in the description section, or maybe you can find it in the chat section. So go and find the link, join the group, and there we will discuss one-to-one on your PMP journey. Right? That's all, guys. If you think video is valuable, then do hit like button and consider subscribing the channel for more helpful and informative videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you once again in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.